Good morning, everybody. Our lesson today is about healthy habits and a healthy body. To have a healthy body is to eat healthy food, to exercise regularly, and to get enough time of sleeping. What are the healthy habits? A healthy habit is any behavior that benefits your physical, mental, and emotional health. These habits improve your overall well being and make you feel good. Healthy habits are hard to develop and often require changing your minds. Examples of healthy habits: read books every day, learn a new exercise every week, always eat a big breakfast, eat fish on most days of the week, eat at least one apple daily, walk for at least 30 minutes every day. What are the benefits of a healthy diet? Eating a diet rich in some vegetables and fruits as part of an overall healthy diet may protect against certain types of cancers. Diets rich in foods containing fiber, such as some vegetables and fruits, may reduce the risk of heart disease, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. Obesity means overweight. Diabetes means the high level of sugar in our blood, which is dangerous. What are the benefits of a healthy lifestyle? A healthy lifestyle has both short and long-term health benefits. Long-term, eating a balanced diet, taking regular exercise, and maintaining a healthy weight can add years to your life and reduce the risk of certain diseases such as diabetes and obesity. What is a healthy eating? Healthy eating means eating a variety of foods that give you the nutrients you need to maintain your health, feel good, and have energy. The necessary nutrients that our bodies need to be healthy are carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are necessary for a healthy body. They are found in grains, rice, pasta, bread, and potatoes. They are the main source of energy. Proteins. Proteins are important building block of our bones and muscles, skin and blood. We can find it in fish, meat, peanuts, and chicken. Fats. Fats help a child's body grows in a healthy way. It is also gives energy to the body and supports cell growth. They are existed in avocado, olive oil, and meat. Vitamins. Vitamins include a nutrition value that prevent and treat different diseases. They can facilitate the function of the body. They are also existed in vegetables and fruits. Minerals. What are minerals? Minerals help our body grow, develop, and stay healthy. They are found in different foods, and each one has its own function. Calcium. Calcium is one of minerals that plays an important role in bones and teeth growth. As you see, we have the cabbage, broccoli, and dairy products that are the main source of calcium. Look at magnesium, which is existed in seafood, nuts, and dark chocolate. It helps our muscles and nerves function. Potassium is a type of mineral that is necessary to our cells, nerves, and muscles. The foods that are rich in potassium are bananas and potatoes. Iron, which provides the oxygen to muscles, and it is very important for cell growth. It is mainly found in spinach, beans, and meat. Zinc. Zinc helps the immune system to fight the bacteria and viruses. It is existed in the wheat, nuts, and eggs. Drinking water. Drinking water is very useful to our body. We have to drink at least 80 glasses of water daily. It is important to our brain, lungs, bones, blood, skin, muscles, liver, and our stomach. Why fruits and vegetables are good for your health? Eating plenty of fruits and veggies may help reduce the risk of many diseases, including heart disease, high blood pressure, and some cancers. Fruits and veggies are rich in vitamins and minerals that help you feel healthy and energized, which means full of energy. Finally, be active and eat healthy every day. Please keep in your mind that you must choose the healthy food for your growth and avoid eating fast food, sweets, and candies as much as you can. Don't forget to exercise regularly to have strong body. Thank you.